Parliament represent the in my issue Arab world, among the Arab countries, but based on what we see, the differences of the expansion and so on and so forth. But I feel that the global community, as in the United Nations and the OIC, has to play a more decisive role in a solution to at least reduce the disputes, that which in war and fighting bloodshed. That's right. I agree with you, because this is what I advocate through teaching the Al-Quran and the ways of Prophet. But because evaluate traditions and practices and habits, it becomes in such a way that I felt that I'm holier than thou, and it's not the right way, and after that, and then they get this impression that the Muslims, as in the Jews or the Christians, whatever, there for them to fight the teachings of Islam. Because we see how the Prophet ﷺ, example, and how he resolves his days, and example which we can follow actually. But like you said, because they not really follow the real teaching of the Quran, that's why they deviate. And also for the interest of some or even interest, they might have interpreted Islam the way that they want, have followers of their own, so happening